Welcome back. Let's deal with further cases relating to progression. In progression, we have dealt with arithmetic progression, some of n terms of arithmetic progression, different activities, application level questions, cases relating to arithmetic progression, and how arithmetic progression situations or cases in case of application questions or problems work, arithmetic mean, how to compute arithmetic mean, two types of situation or nodes relating to arithmetic mean. Next case, geometric progression. It is just similar to arithmetic progression, whereby a geometric sequence or a progression is a sequence such that any element after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding element by a constant number called the common ratio, which is denoted by R. The common ratio or R is obtained by dividing any term by the preceding term. For example, 4, 8, 16 is in geometric progression. Here R can be computed by selecting any number divided by the same with the just preceding number. For example, 8. 8 divided by 4, you will get 2. Next, 16 divided by 8, you will get 2. If you get a constant number in all the cases, it is a case of geometric progression. Remember, when the R or the value of R is positive and less than 1, the series is a decreasing geometric progression. For example, 4, 2, 1, 1 by 2, it's decreasing, and just take the value of R. R is 1 by 2. That is, here for example, let's take the second value 2. 2 divided by just preceding number 2 by 4, you will get 1 by 2. It's a positive value, but it's less than 1, so it is a case of decreasing geometric progression. Next case, when the R is positive and greater than 1, the series is an increasing geometric progression. For example, 3, 6, 1, 12, 24. It's an increasing form where you can select any number just divided by the preceding number, you will get the value of R greater than 1. In this situation, it is 2. So it's a case of positive geometric progression. A geometric sequence is sometimes called geometric progression or GP, depends upon the situation. So just identify the difference between geometric progression and arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, we take the difference between each number in a series as D, which is known as common difference. Here we take the common number as multiplication value or multiply with a common number or a constant number between the numbers in a series. It is known as common ratio, denoted by R. Just remember the both two terms, its concept and its meaning. Next, end the term of GP or geometric progression. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio, and you will get the equation for geometric progression whereby T subscript of n equal to AR superscript n minus 1. This is the equation for finding out the nth value or n terms in case of a geometric progression. Next, let's deal with different cases relating to geometric progression. Given the series 2, 6, 18, 54, just extract the values known. A equal, there are some second two parts in the question, followed by you need to find the 12th term and the nth term. And for finding the 12th term, you know T n subscript equal to AR raised to n minus 1. We know the value of A, R also identified, that is 2 into 3 raised to 12 minus 1. It gives 2 into 3 superscript 11 and 2 into 3 the bigger number. See, in geometric progression, sometimes you need to find the multiplication of any number with their power value. Here it is given 3 superscript 11. That means you need to multiply the value 3 into 11 times. In geometric progression, you need to aware about such steps, so be familiar with that. Finally, you get the value T12 equal to 354294. This is how a common geometric progression cases work. Next one. Second part, you need to find the nth term. Okay, let's substitute the known values. We know the value of A, or R also we know. N minus 1, we don't know n. So that is the answer. See, the answer of second part is 2 into 3 n minus 1. Just like the previous case which we have dealt in, theory of equations as well as the first part of the progression cases, sometimes you will arrive at a value where it will be like an equation form. In the previous slides, I have given a detailed explanation regarding arriving at an answer. Means it will be a whole number, it will be a natural number, positive, negative, even number, odd number. Sometimes you will arrive at the situation. So don't worry, this is the answer of this case. You can't go any further from this step. Otherwise, something information has to be given, has to be dealt or given in the question. Next part. Find the 15th term of the series 3 minus 6, 12 minus 24. Find the 15th. So from the given data, you can have A is 3, R is minus 6 by 3, and N is 15. By substituting the value, you will get 3 into minus 6 by 3 raised to 15 minus 1. You will get 3 into minus 2 raised to 14 minus 2 raised to 14. Remember, whenever a number with power come, just consider the sign associated with it and do the needful. Then finally you get 49152. I hope you are familiar with the first few of the cases relating to geometric progression. Just try to find some of the cases relating with. We will deal with further cases in the coming sessions. Thank you.